Japan to keep away from capping defense spending subsequent year. Draft document Tokyo, Japan will maintain off on placing a ceiling for next financial year's defense spending. A draft of the authorities' price range outline reviewed by means of confirmed, underscoring clear up to give a boost to expenditure to counter China's growing military presence. Under the price range defined, the government can even set aside approximately 4.5 trillion yen $33.24 billion for Prime Minister Fumio Kishida's flagship coverage aimed at boosting investment in areas like green innovation and digitalization, the draft confirmed. The budget outline, which serves as a guideline for ministries in submitting spending requests for next financial year, might be authorized through Cabinet on Friday. The removal of the defense cap, which has grown to be standard in current years, comes as Russia's invasion of Ukraine and China's developing army presence in Asia have raised public awareness of geopolitical risks. The authorities said ultimate month in an annual financial coverage file that it desired to drastically grow defense spending in the subsequent 5 years, bringing up a particular time frame for the expenditure for the primary time. Kishida's ruling Liberal Democratic Party has also proposed boosting defense spending to 2% of gross home product (GDP) inside 5 years, from about 1%. In the past, the authorities set strict ceilings for every spending object in kingdom budgets to rein in large public debt. That has changed in current years because the government seeks to protect the economy from shocks which include the COVID-19 pandemic. As a result, the once-a-year budget has persisted to increase and might exceed this year's 107.6 trillion yen in financial 2023 to hit a report for 11 years in a row, a few analysts say. In the fiscal 2022 budget, defense finances stood at 5.4 trillion yen, making up simply 5% of initial outlay. Social welfare spending, through evaluation, accounted for a third of overall outlays because of a swiftly growing old population. Based on the budget define accepted on Friday, government ministries and corporations will submit price range requests to the Finance Ministry with the aid of the end of August. The Finance Ministry will compile the government's draft finances in late December, which calls for Parliament approval to take effect. $1 equals 135.3700 yen.